Let's go. 5 of the best stocks to buy now. And I'm telling you, this is just the beginning. We got a lot to do. If we talk AI money, you want to know stocks, you want to know what's going on. Why now is the moment. The AI trade's not over. Everybody keeps talking, oh, the sell-off mode. It's done. You saw how bad it's getting out there. It's not. The rally spread to the whole stack. We got a lot going on. A genuine memory supercycle, and we are talking big time stuff. A hyperscaler capex is exploding. You're hearing Amazon putting 200 bill alone. You understand how much money this is. It is a massive amount of spend, and that spend gives us 5 opportunities to consider, and I'm going to go over these in this video now. And we know retail is winning the trade. The numbers don't lie. We come up with these, we talk about it. I'm going to go old school on this video like I used to when I first got on YouTube. Go over some of the fundamentals. We'll pull up the charts on them as well, add a little technical into it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. The tape doesn't lie. 5.14 trillion, the first $5 trillion company in history. This year, wow, 683%. We'll talk about these companies. What 2026 hottest big cap stock has done since January, 711% net income growth at one memory maker. Yes, 700%. Unbelievable. Tonight's countdown, we got 5 of them. Can you guess what they are before we get into them? I'll let you try to see. Small cap growing revenue at 575% a year. Think about this, and they just signed a $1 billion deal. It's AI Cloud. Retail's favorite AI stock, now sitting 36% below its all-time high. So this is an absolute darling, but it's down dramatically. Is it the time to walk away, or is there an opportunity? Up 683% this year, and somehow still cheap on next year's earnings. So we got an AI cloud, we got a software, we got a storage. Boom, moving on. You already know this one. The question is whether it's cheap. The answer will surprise you. We're in the semis. There we go. $1 trillion giant, price like a value stock. My top conviction buy for the second half of this year. And for those wondering, it's in the memory. So we got a lot to talk about. Let's start with the first one. It is time. Let's go. Oh my goodness, ticker symbol NBIS, the hyper growth Neo Cloud. What do we got? Wow, 195.66 last close, market cap 50 bill. We got revenue up 575%. Forward P a little high, right? That's okay. This is trailing. We got a lot of EPS here, 320. Now we come in here, Neo Cloud, pure play, full stack AI infrastructure, large scale GPU clusters. We got a lot going on here. A $1 billion compute deal. That was massive. Contract with Reflection AI, built on NVIDIA's newest chips. Fastest grower on the board. Revenue up 575%. When you're looking for fundamental plays, the one thing that drives a winning play when it comes to the best stocks to buy now, have that revenue grow. Have the revenue grow. They are spending, I just showed you that they had $200 billion from Amazon alone. All right, we had a big deal. I should say the CapEx spending, just massive spending out there. All right, next catalyst. Q2 earnings are on August 6th. We're expecting some good things. What are we watching? Meta selling excess compute is a bear case. So if Meta's coming out, it's selling the excess compute. Ooh, not good. All right, 52-week range, street target. You guys can see low is 48.80. High was 299. My target, roughly 24.8. I should say that's the street's target. Now 195.66. Interesting take. That is about 24.83% up. Let me know if you like this style of format of presentation. I like it. I'm going to tell you, I like it. Now we move on to number 4 of the best stocks to buy now. Palantir, let's go. Ticker symbol PLTR, the buy the dip AI favorite. I know a lot of people out there like this stock. It made my list. It's now made my list. Market cap, 323 bill. Revenue, 5.22 bill. 81.8 Whoa, that's huge, right? Just wait with me. Earnings per share 89 cents, 36% off the all-time high. Now you got my attention. So we broke up and everybody was telling everybody to buy it. I know some of those YouTubers out there. It's at an all-time high. They're like, hey, that's where they liked it. I did not. I knew it was overbought. I knew it was going to come back down at least 20%. I waited. Now we're down 36% off the all-time highs. Now I believe we have a chance with this. Retail's favorite AI stock is on sale. Classic dip set up after a wide pullback. We're going to look at both of these stocks, Palantir, and of course, the first one we had up there, net income 300% year over year, 2.28 billion. Revenue grew 68%. Like I said, keep an eye on the revenue. New enterprise wins. We have the Mexico's largest insurer in there, Rackspace AI framework. We got Q2 earnings come up August 3rd. The premium valuation makes this print a big one. Now we move out to what the street's looking for. 52-week range. Street target 130, or not the target. We're at roughly 134.72 at the making. And you guys can see the target price, 183, the high 207. Now what I want to do is take a look at both of these. Ticker symbol NBIS. Here's the one that is the most frightening when it comes to the technicals. We had the 5 crossing over. We have a bottom. We hit the 13. It's still coming down. So I am feeling a little bit of risk here because of my bread bot recipe, but I also see that we held last time. It is an interesting entry at this point, but it still is technically a little scary. The biggest thing I would say is you're watching this. We're down to 199. The 50 EMA is massive in terms of confirming above it. If you wait until then, I get it. But this is the line in the sand at 198. If we hold 198, we're good. If you come down here and get to new lows, say 190, I don't blame anybody for taking a quick stop on that and saying, I'll wait until we get back above 200, or 193, I should say. 193. You get down to 190, that's a decent stop loss at that point if you're buying today. Why? Because that means we got a new lower low. And normally when we hit that, we'll go a little lower, and you can jump back in at that next level. But that is a great, interesting price to get in. Everybody's running for the door. When they're fearful, we'll get greedy. I see you out there, Warren Buffett. Palantir, let's go ahead and ticker symbol PLTR, one of the best stocks to buy now. Look at the reversal up to the 50, back down to the 13. Oh, it's over. No, it's not. We're going back above the 50. This chart looks a lot more interesting. Not as scary. It's actually looking good. We confirmed above the 50 RSI. I like it. I like it. Now back to the presentation at hand. Let's go. Number 3, SanDisk. What do we got? Ticker symbol SNDK, the hottest stock of 2026. Market cap in at 262 bill. Revenue up 82%. Money is flowing in. Now this one, look at the forward PE on this, 9.8. Talk about, it seems like a steal. Earnings per share, $29.71. Last close, $1,770. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. SanDisk Corporation. Boom. Look at that. Money flowing. Nice little sale on this, too. We got all the way up to about 2,300. It is now down to 1,700. This is where you saw the panic. We hit the 50 EMA. It was well overdue. We got down below, back above, hit the 13, back below, hit it, moved up again. I like it. So when I see these kind of retreats, these profit taking, it lends us to understand that there's opportunity here. When it comes to the best stocks to buy now, this has the value. This has a lot of what I look for. Up 683% this year. The flash storage, NAND flash storage turned SanDisk into a monster runner. I love it. AI is eating storage up. Oh, wow. They're consuming every solid state drive in the industry can make. Pricing power is real. Look at that, 9.8 forward earnings even after the massive run. This is still cheap. It is absolutely a value play. Next catalyst earnings, August 5th, Investor Day, August 13th. One analyst just went from 1,400 to 3,100 on this, and I absolutely could see that happening as well. It's pricey, but with the fractional shares that we can buy out there on the different platforms, you got an opportunity. Take a look at this. We got today, we got the street average, and then the bull target. Interesting. Let me know what you think down below. Hit the subscribe button if you like what I'm bringing you. I like this setup. We'll see how it goes, though. We'll see how it goes. Next on the list of best stocks to buy now, I think you knew this would make the list. How can it not? It's the $5 trillion king. It is NVIDIA. NVIDIA coming out, $5 trillion. Unbelievable. Up 70% in revenue. As much as they can make. As much as they can make, they're making it. Forward PE, even with a $5 trillion company, 20. Not bad. Earnings per share, $6.53. Unmatched scale, still printing. They're just killing it. Valuation surprise, about 20 times forward earnings, cheap versus its own history for this kind of growth rate. So not bad. Wall Street's all in. 61 analysts, strong buy, average target 301. There you go, or at 212 right now. Watch, China H200 export licensing headlines are the swing factor for the sentiment, and you guys can see what's going on. Well, we're about 10% off that high. Target at 302, 42% up. Man, oh man, oh man. Let's take a look at the chart. Like I said, you're seeing the rotation as everybody's watching. We had the massive sell-off all the way down. We hit the line that I had as support, came down, hit it, pushed back up. Now we're at the critical where I said if we break and confirm this line, it should run. Technically, this is a monster setup in my opinion. Monster setup, and I love it. So I like this one. I got it number 2, though. All right, NVIDIA is the number 2 of the best stocks to buy now. I love the setup. It's a massive company, but man, when it comes to Micron, oh, Nelly. We got market cap, 1.11 trillion. 1/5 of the last company. Revenue, 167% up. Look at the forward PE on this thing. 6.5. Are you joking? Are you pulling my chain? No, I am not. Earnings per share, 44.31. The super cycle stock of the best stocks to buy now. Unprecedented AI demand for high bandwidth memory. Key bank C supplies tight through 2027. Who's that guy on Breaking Bad? Tight. We got it. Put it down in the comments. You know who that is. Net income, 711% up year over year to 50 bill. Micron joined the $1 trillion club. Do not be surprised if they join the $2 trillion club. Cheapest AI giant on the board, 6.5 times forward earning. Read that again. Folks, take the time. Step back. Get the notepad out. Take notes. Write it down. 6.5 times forward earnings? Are you joking? No. It is pure opportunity out there. It is beautiful. That's why I have it number 1 on my best stocks to buy now. Street keeps chasing it higher. Average target 1486. KeyBank just raised it to 1750 after its Asia supply chain checks. Man, look how beautiful that is. We are at 978. High was 1255. Target now 1486, but they also have other out there at 1750. Oh, wow, is that a beautiful thing? Folks, I'm going to tell you something. A lot of stocks out there going off like there's no tomorrow. Here are the 5 that I really liked in this video. Best stocks to buy now. If you like these kind of videos, you just got to let me know. I can bring you more. Trailing 12-month revenue year over year. One of these is growing faster than 95% of the S&P 500. Faster than 95% of the S&P 500. Unbelievable. That is crazy. 8 times faster than the mega caps. And you got a lot of opportunity to go forward. Evaluation check. Forward price to earnings. What you are actually paying for next year's profit. Look at this now. MU, SanDisk, you guys can see what's going on. A little pricey, right? Yeah, but we got some value in there. Got a good mix of what I think we have. It's not going anywhere. It's not like it's collapsing. It's not like it's over. They are still spending. Micron, look at the win. 6.5, just beautiful. Average analyst, you guys can see what's going on here. 50% upside on the number 1 pick. I agree with it. Micron. Let me say it again. Get your notepad out. Write it down. Micron. Beautiful. Before you smash the buy, the risk. Every hot trade has a flip side. You guys know what's going on right now. We saw the sell-off, and memory cycles always turn. We know this. China export rules. We know compute oversupply. We know valuation and volatility. Palantir, that's a high PE, right? I know. Position size beats prediction. All right, position sizing beats prediction. Nothing here is financial advice. This is for entertainment. I hope you got entertainment out of it. Do your own research and never put money on things you can't afford to lose. It's been one of those days, and I'm telling you, here it goes. Ready? Final board. My 5 buys for the second half. Micron. There's the targets. You guys got it. Look at the targets on these. Best stocks to buy now for the second half of 2026. There's your list, folks. I like what we're seeing. Like and subscribe, hit the bell, but more importantly, if you're not in the Discord, hit the first link down below. We are in there making moves. We are doing what we need to do. We are crushing it. Crushed it again today in the live stream trading session, and we are on fire. The latest picks from last week are getting close to up almost double now on the put options we released, and so much more. Get my personal indicator. What's that, Mo? It's this. You get this by joining the new Earner Plus, and you can use code FREEDOM to knock the normal 162 down to 97.79 at checkout. All right, it's what I got for you. I appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you in the Discord.